Alright, so we're going to be removing the climate control on a 2012 Range Rover Sport. We're going to start out by removing the shift. Just going to pick it out on the sides, then you press on it and pull it up. Now you're going to have 2 Phillips screws. Now we're going to try to pick it from each side. Yeah, same thing with the passenger side as well. It takes a little bit of pressure to pull it up. It would help if you put the shifter into neutral. Our car has no power, so we can't do that. So we're gonna work around the shifter in park. Okay, I guess this cover is screwed in from the front of it, so we're not gonna take it off at the moment. We're gonna try to take off the whole assembly. So the cover is held by 2 screws, torque screws right there. Alright, so this is the whole thing.